Visiativ benefits from bringing together the knowledge and expertise from multiple resellers across the UK and Ireland, all under the one brand of Visiativ. We have offices throughout the UK and Ireland to ensure we have local support and training facilities for our customers close by, also meaning you, a local account manager and support engineers, can be on site when needed. As well as being able to provide local support, here at Visiativ we are a global SOLIDWORKS reseller and Dassault Systems partner, with local SOLIDWORKS resellers in many countries throughout the world, which means you can work with the same SOLIDWORKS reseller for all your sites all over the world. We pride ourselves on our award-winning, platinum-rated technical support, expert training, and our own developed engineering solutions. Our highly skilled team of support engineers who have real-world engineering experience and are trained to the highest level of SOLIDWORKS are only a phone call away. We have a dedicated support line that puts you straight through to our experts. Our engineers also specialise in the SOLIDWORKS add-ins such as FEA, CFD, PDM, PLM, SOLIDWORKS Electrical, the 3D Experience platform, ERP integrations and much more. We also develop our own tools to help you, our customers, get the most out of SOLIDWORKS. These include productivity tools for SOLIDWORKS and SOLIDWORKS PDM, our own PLM software, customer service and spare parts software, CPQ for automation, and again, much more. Beyond software sales, we offer certified training, hardware recommendations, and consultancy for various projects. We support startups with tailored programs for startups and entrepreneurs looking to use SOLIDWORKS to design their products. As a trusted partner for over 25,000 companies worldwide, we specialise in digital transformation with industry-specific expertise, and our focus on customer experience make us a reliable partner for your business.